Here is the key fob for your Honda Ridgeline. First thing we'll do is press this button, get the physical key out. Now put it right there in that slot. Get in that slot properly and then give it a firm twist. This is the important part. You have to get the key in there properly and then give it a firm twist, and that is going to help you pry this key fob open. Now just get this back cover, set it aside, and this side with the battery, do not turn it upside down because all the buttons will fall off otherwise. Now we need to get the battery out. So get the key right where I'm putting it and then pry it out from there. Okay, it's going to take you a couple seconds, so just be patient, but it'll come right off. There you go, the battery is out. The battery side is CR2032. The positive side has a plus sign and the markings on it. The negative side has no markings. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon and then put it down with the positive side facing upwards and then press it down to secure it. Put the cover back on and then press it together to engage all the clips. Now let's just get the physical key and then put it back in its place and secure it. And now let's try it out. The unlock is working fine, and so it's a lock button, and that's good. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Thank you.